Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Yes, I took my lip color off. And I will tell you that this lip arsenal, this stuff works real good on being a lip plumper. And there's some of the color left, but I'm not mad at that. This is Jeffree Star Cosmetics, as you could probably tell by the packaging. He always has very beautiful packaging. But, and he made a comment on this in one of his live streams about Glamlite. Now, this is my first ever purchase from Glamlite, but I purchased it from TikTok Shop. Find a freaking pair of scissors here. Not my really good ones either. Never use your fabric scissors to open a box. That's the wrong way. Now, I'm going to be wearing the same garment for a lot of videos, so it is what it is. And that's what it is. Although I will have to say, somebody tried to get my box. Serious. I had a Jeffree Star lippy stolen before out of the freaking package. Somebody at the post office. Oh my god. And then they were really rude about it when I questioned them. They were really rude about it. They're like, oh no, that could have just happened at their warehouse. And I'm like, no honey, because Jeffree Star is very specific. So like I was saying, Jeffree Star. Y'all know I love my coffee. This is the packaging for the Glamlite. This is the only one out of them that I got because I was like, you know what? I like that packaging. Is this usable? Probably not. Nor do I really care. So, this is one of their lip kits. Good Lord. So far, that, like, come on. I mean, plastic, it's fantastic. This is what the inside looks like. That's your lip liner, which I took mine off. The lip liner I had on was from Curse Cosmetics. So the first thing we're going to do, see, it has a, it's supposed to be coffee. So I'm kind of looking to see if it has that smell. I like that. It's a darker brown shade. That I can, y'all, I can't wear those light Barbie shades. Oh, they have these in here really good. They have them like, I'll give you kudos for that part. At least one of them's in there really good. That's the lipstick, which, like I said, I've never had Glamlite before. Or that's their lip balm. It has no smell to it, like, if it's supposed to be coffee and like you get that much product and then whatever's down in here. Let's go ahead and swatch that. That might be usable for me. If not, I'll give it to Rob's daughter because she might like it. That a magnetic? Yes. Okay. Magnetic closure. Love that. Now I have magnetic closure with a lippy from Curse Cosmetics, so I'm not mad at that. Actually, that might match my eye color. That is a combination between Curse Cosmetics and Flex Beauty Cosmetics. Now, the packaging on this is adorable. I love that. It's like in the shape of a coffee bean with their logo on it. It looks like it might be a good color. So it's a good thing I have this out. Right? Two different, well, this is more of a chocolate color. Oh, okay. Oh, that smells good. You put that on there. Okay, so this, obviously. I give you kudos for the smell. Oh my God. Even though this is not a lip plumper, I'm not mad at that. Right? So, remember that's Glamlite. The darker one, that one's Jeffree. Okay, Jeffree is a lip plumper. Glamlite is not. Like I said, the packaging is cute. It really is. The packaging is cute. Don't know what that's about. See that? Does that say hi or something? What is that on there, people? What is that? That's not for me. Somebody scratched on it. What's going on there? That's crappy. Do better. You can do better with your stuff there, Glamlite. So like I said, Jeffree. Let's see if I can find that lip liner from Cursed. I was in a hurry earlier. So this is the Cursed Cosmetics lip liner. It's almost the same color. I think you know where we're going here. Half Cursed Cosmetics and Jeffree, half just Glamlite. Okay, so there's that. Remember Cursed, which is one of my favorite brands, by the way. Then I'll go ahead and line this side with the Glamlite. Remember, I'm doing this without a mirror. Look at that. You can't really tell much of a difference in those two colors, except for like right on this part. They're almost the same shade. I was really looking for this to have a coffee smell, y'all. I really was. So that's a wee bit disappointing. So let's try this only on one side. Right? I don't know. I don't know if the color is me. We'll put the Jeffree on this side. And we'll put the Glamlite on the other. I told my friend Rich Lux that I would be comparing the Glamlite to Jeffree on purpose. He's like, girl. Look, we all know Jeffree Star has majorly excellent product. We all know that. We all know this. Then we'll take this. I'll put that. I love the smell. I know there's another cosmetics company. Wait, no, a candle company that collabed with Death Wish Coffee. Smells like Dunkin' Donuts, you know. Smells like Dunkin' Donuts. Now, my review for this. I love this. This should have been a darker shade. Should have matched this. Or matched at least the color of the lid of this. I'm going to say that much. It's cute. The lip liner is cute. I was kind of looking for maybe a fragrance from it because I haven't seen that done before. Jeffrey, cursed. Want to come up with that. Anyway, I will say it's pretty. Does it compare to Jeffrey? Just got smashed in the middle. The packaging's cute. Like I said, this is my first time ever purchasing from Glamlite. Now see, this was supposed to be in the square in there, right? It was not. That's a kind of a disappointment on that part. Jeffrey would make sure. Not mad at this necessarily. Got on my teeth. And the lighting in here makes my teeth look weird. It's weird. And then you put that back in there like that. And then your lip liner goes right in there. Like that. You gotta push it down a bit. And I don't really like that. And then the cup. Like that. Is it cute packaging? Yes, it's cute packaging. The only reason that I never gravitated towards Glamlite is when they paired up with Makayla. And my friend Jen Gerard out there. Oh, girl. I guess maybe you didn't know Makayla is friends with Jaclyn Hill. Don't. Honest suggestion, my friend Jen. Don't let Makayla spew your company's name out of her mouth ever again. Because she's friends with Jaclyn Shrill. Anyway, Makayla's the only reason why I would never buy Glamlite back then. I was hesitant on this. People were like, I want a review from you for this. I picked this one because it's me. It's my shade. I can wear it with like the Curse Cosmetics and Flex Beauty like I did today. Jeffrey goes with what I'm wearing. This goes with what I'm wearing. And so, this is supposed to be frappe. I did forget to mention that. This is a mocha frappe. Love the packaging. I'll use it, and then I'll just keep this for the aesthetics, right? What I can say, when you do a product like this, the packaging, the really cutesy packaging, try to make it, hold on, let me show you something. I don't have that Jeffree Star tumbler, but Curse Cosmetics, this is a $70 tumbler. I got mine for free because if you were the first so many people to get a specific thing, you got this. And I happen to be one of those people. So I was lucky that I got this Curse Cosmetics Ookie Kookie Spooky Season tumbler. But if you're going to do packaging like this, make it fantastic because it should be made out of a hard plastic so that it could be a reusable tumbler, even if it's just the size. I believe, now this would be a 12-ounce cup of coffee. 6 or 12, I think, somewhere in there. Anyway, don't quote me on that. But this, want your cutesy packaging, make sure it's made out of a reusable plastic that a person can wash. They can wash the lid. Have it so that this little top part pops open and pops back. You put the little hinge point Yeah, you put the little hinge point right there, right? This pops open. You have something for it to snap onto. Pop it, close it. That is one thing with this product that I can say I wish Glamlite had made these reusable cups. Everybody would have gone crazier over that, because I seen that the struggle is kind of real. I've doom scrolled past some of their live stream, but Glamlite, make that plastic fantastic and make it a reusable cup. This is cute for the aesthetics, you know. And, you know, the lip shade, it does smell nice. But with that, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Cursed Jeffree Star has some tumblers this size too, right? I think they're about $70 like this one. That's because how this tumbler was made does cost money. That glitter that doesn't move, that's in between two pieces of plastic. If you can see that right there. They got this inner part where your drink goes, and then they got this outer part that protects it. So, like I said, you know, just that. And with that said, it's cute. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And Makayla is the reason why I haven't even bought Elf anymore. I gave them up because of Makayla, the destroyer of businesses.